Never throw away your used disposable razors. Today, I'm going to show you 3 amazing tricks to get the most out of those disposable razors you thought were useless. I have several razors here that no longer cut well. I'm going to run one across my forearm so you can see that it actually doesn't cut at all. But that's about to change with these tricks I'm going to show you. The first thing we're going to do is take a medium-sized bowl. We're going to separate a razor and place it inside the bowl. Then, we're going to pour very hot water over it until it's covered and let it sit for a minute while we slowly stir the water. Tell me what country you're watching from so I can mention you in an upcoming video. After the minute is up, we take the razor out of the water. Now, watch how it cuts again. I run it across my forearm and look how sharp it is now. It's amazing how well this trick works. Now I'm going to grab a second razor to show you a second way to give an old razor a new lease on life. All you need is a pair of jeans. Take the razor and run it across the jeans for 30 seconds in the opposite direction of the blades. Then do the same on the other side for another 30 seconds. Now when you use it on your body, you'll notice that the blades are much sharper, and if you have clothes full of lint or hair, used razors will also come in handy. Just run them gently across the clothes, and you'll see how the lint disappears quickly. If you want to know the real reason why oil bottles have this piece in the mouth, you can't miss this next video. Click to watch.